Ever heard people say cracking your knuckles causes arthritis? Let's find out if that's true. The popping sound isn't your bones grinding. It actually comes from bubbles in the fluid between your joints collapsing. Doctors have studied this for years, and there's no direct link between knuckle cracking and arthritis. At worst, it might make your joints a little sore or weaker grip over time. But arthritis? No. So, next time someone warns you about arthritis from cracking knuckles, you can tell them it's just a myth. Myth busted.